All right, guys, we're here in a 2015 Subaru Legacy Bladed. We're just adding a key. Customer came in, so we went to program. Ignition's on. As you can see, 4 keys in the system. It maxes out at 4 keys, so we're gonna have to erase keys. So there we are. So we erase keys. It erases every key except for what's in the ignition. As you can see, now there's 1 key program. Now we can go ahead and add our key. Show you, this one still starts it. So there's that. Now we'll go ahead and add our key real quick, but just food for thought. If you're ever having problems programming, make sure your key count is less than 4, because that's all the G system will hold. All right, now put our new key in. There it is, 2 keys program. Subaru G system, add key, just remember, max of 4 keys.